Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Bosch dryer and you're getting an E17 error. So what is it and how to get rid of it? So the E17 error is saying that there's in the lint screen there's a temperature sensor, that means and this error means it's not getting a signal from that temperature sensor. So there are two things that could be happening. One is there could be a problem with the connection, and the other thing is that the actual sensor could be damaged or burn out or not working. So the first thing to do to try to fix this is to just go into the lint screen and find your sensor and just check and make sure the wiring looks okay. If the wiring is detached, then you can just reattach the wire. And if it's not that, you're probably just going to need to replace the temperature sensor. And if you do that, you should be able to get rid of this E17 error. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.